How to hack your WSP and ATR submission in 5 simple steps. Apart from achieving compliance and earning financial rebates, a workplace skills plan and annual training report can also add strategic value to your business. Recognizing this value, the task of creating a meaningful WSP and ATR may seem quite daunting. Here are 5 simple steps to help you hack your WSP and ATR submission. You can easily identify the skills gaps in your business by implementing a digital skills audit. This tool will help you to make more effective decisions more quickly, and because it's aligned to the OFO codes, it will also save you time in the WSP creation process. Including learnerships that also address your scarce and critical skills will help you to meet your employment equity and EEE requirements, as well as increase your chances of obtaining discretionary grant funding. It is important to include training programs that are not only operationally achievable, but are also aligned to your business strategy. Not only does this ensure that the right skills will be acquired, but that your business also has what it needs for future growth. Be sure to include all the training initiatives that require funding in the pivotal training section of your WSP. If an initiative is not included, you will not be able to apply for funding for that initiative when the discretionary grant window is open. You may experience technical issues when submitting your WSP and ATR online. Stay in touch with your SETA or seek advice from a registered skills development facilitator. Something as simple as not adding an apostrophe in the appropriate place could prevent you from successfully submitting online. By knowing these 5 simple steps, you can easily change the way you approach your WSP and ATR submission. This will help you to focus your time on entrenching a real culture of learning, growth, and development in your business. iLearn, making the complex simple.